There's a little bit of construction going on outside. Sorry about it. This is just how it's gonna have to be. But I'm here today with my Black Friday haul. This is a little bit late, but honestly, this stuff took a long time to get to me and I'm still missing one of my packages. So we're doing the best we can. We got a Christmas tree, it's Christmas time. So this is quite a lot of stuff because just like last year, I shopped a little bit. So I'm gonna be showing you guys what all I got and let's just go ahead and jump right into it. Okay, so I have a big old box full of stuff that I bought. The first two things I got were from Urban Outfitters and it's 2 books. Recently I have been kind of into astrology. I don't necessarily believe in it in a sense of like, I think it's laud, I think it's real, but I do really find astrology interesting. I like learning about where it came from because it's from a lot of like ancient traditions. So I picked up 2 books at Urban Outfitters. Everything was buy one, get one 50% off. So I picked up A Simple Guide to Astrology for the Modern Mystic, Star Power, which is the one that I'm currently reading. And the other one I got, which has a gorgeous cover, is Decode the Stars and Reframe Your Life, The Signs. So these also look really cute on my coffee table regardless, but I've been really into that lately. In case you're wondering, I am a Taurus with a Virgo moon, and then my rising sign is a Cancer, so that is me. But I love learning more about that, so that is what I got at Urban Outfitters. The next thing I got is from Nasty Gal. It is very wrinkled because I had to stain remove it and I haven't been able to wash it, but this is the thing that probably took the longest to come in other than the one package that's still missing, which I'll talk about in a minute. But I got this shirt that on the back says Raise Hell Baby, and it's just a white t-shirt on the front. Really, really cute, fits really well, and this just reminded me of the bold type. If you guys have been watching my channel, you might know that I'm obsessed with the bold type, and they have the speech from Jacqueline that's Raise Holy Hell. It just reminded me of that, so I wanted to get that because it just made me really happy. So that was like $12 on Nasty Gal. It did take quite a long time to come in because it got stuck in customs, but still cute, still worth it. I really like it. So the next thing that I got, oh, and I'm actually missing something. Hold on tight. So the next thing I got is actually from my friend's clothing line, my friend Megan Phillips of Megan Phillips Collection. I got this shirt from her that says girls, girls, girls on it, and it's just really cute. It's kind of a like washed gray. I really love this. Very excited about that. She did a 30% off her whole site, maybe 30, 20, something like that. So I ended up buying a shirt from her as well as a phone case. So these I think are so freaking cute. It has all of these different like lady symbols all over it. And really, really cute. So I'm really glad that I picked that up as well from her. The next things I got are from ASOS. I actually ordered quite a lot from ASOS, but ended up sending a lot of it back. So obviously it's not in this haul, but I did end up keeping 2 things. Do I have a big mark on my face this whole video? I don't know what that is. Oh, excuse me. So I did end up getting quite a lot of things from ASOS, but I ended up returning most of it because I tried it on, didn't like it. So it's obviously not in this video, but there were 2 things that I decided to keep. The first thing is a pair of Adidas leggings, which look totally normal, and then boom, they have the Adidas little stripes at the bottom in this kind of like sweatshirt material, which is really, really cute, and they're just high-waisted, plain with the Adidas symbol up there. Super cute, really, really love these. I love Adidas stuff, which there's something else in here from Adidas too. I really, really love their stuff. I feel like it fits well. I feel like it's decently priced. These were on sale. Everything on ASOS was on sale for 25% off, I believe, so I was able to get those. And then I also got another pair of the jeans from them that I really, really love. These are just regular black jeans, nothing crazy special. They have a rose gold detail on them, so all the buttons and rivets are rose gold, the zipper is gold, and then these are just regular plain black jeans. I actually have these in the version that has the knees cut out, but I love these. I love the way they fit, and so I decided to pick up a solid pair while I was on the site, and they had my size and my length, which is really great, which is one of the things I love about ASOS is that their jean sizes are so customizable because you can get your length and your waist, and there's like a million different options. So I really love those jeans, decided to pick up another pair, and yeah, that's what I got from ASOS. And the last clothing item that I got is a pair of Adidas sliders. So I got these from the Adidas website. They did like 50% off their whole site, or like 40% off their whole site at one point. So I picked up a pair of just the classic sliders. I was able to get these for like $14 or something like that. that, and they're originally 30 something. So I was able to pick these up. I really, really love them. They're just the Cloud Foam original ones. And yeah, these will be great, honestly, just for like walking my dog, going to the store, especially in the summer, just like throwing them on and running out the door. So I'm really glad I picked those up, and I've already gotten a lot of wear out of them. So highly recommend those. Okay, so the last thing I got in the kind of fashion department, I guess, is a necklace from Etsy. This is from a store that's called Ideal Collection or Ideal Collect. And this is a little horoscope necklace or zodiac necklace, and I am so obsessed with this. There was a necklace at Urban Outfitters that I ended up getting for a friend that was really cute, that had a nameplate that said the sign, and then it had two little medallions that had the symbol and then the constellation on them, and I thought it was so cute, but they didn't make it in Taurus, which is so weird because Taurus would have bought it. But I went and looked all over Etsy and ended up finding this little necklace on sale for Black Friday. I hope that it'll focus. And it is a little Taurus, it's a little bull on this really pretty medallion, and I am so in love with this. I'm so glad that I decided to get this one, and because I looked at a couple, but this one is really just where it's at. It's so pretty, and I am so in love with it, and I already have worn it like almost every day since I got it. I did end up adding a chain extender to it because it was a little bit shorter than I wanted, but it sits like right at my breastbone, which is exactly where I wanted it to hit, and it's gorgeous, and it was on Etsy for sale. I don't remember how much it was exactly, but I will link them down below, and I am obsessed with that. I think that's the favorite thing that I got this whole time. Next thing I got, the iconic pink pouch. Glossier did a huge sale for all their stuff, which is great because their stuff never goes on sale. So I decided to restock on some of my like classics. I got the Glossier Milky Jelly Cleanser, which is the cleanser that I use. I literally had just run out of the Galaxy Greens mask, or the Mega Galaxy Greens mask. So I decided to pick up another one of those because I really love that mask. And the last thing that I picked up was my Super Pure Serum. These are all things that I use, well, the cleanser and the serum I use every single day, but then the mask I use probably once a week. And I was able to pick up all of these for, I believe, 20% off. So, and I got the big pink pouch, which I'm excited about because I have a lot of the small ones and then my big one ripped. So I'm really glad to have another big one back. And that was what I got from Glossier. You guys know how I feel about Glossier. Okay, and then the last things I got, this is like going by way faster than I thought. I have a couple other things here that I picked up that are beauty related, but before I show you those, I did order 3 brushes from Sigma Brushes, and basically they didn't come in, and they like just now shipped, and Sigma apparently got really backed up with all of their orders, and like nobody was getting their shipping orders. So those still aren't here. I did get a shipping notification, so fingers crossed they're actually coming. But I got 3 of the E25 brushes. They were on sale for $10 each, and they're originally 16 or 18. So I got 3 of those because I got one in a kit that I am obsessed with, and I was like, I need more of this. So I ordered 3 of those. So I will put up on the screen like what that looks like, but that just didn't come in time. Well, another tool that I got is the HUDA Beauty, and this is the Fender Blender eyeshadow brush. So this is actually like a glitter or metallic eyeshadow brush. So it has this little rubbery end on it that has grooves, kind of like a fingerprint. So it picks up metallic pigment the way your finger does, but it's really fine and skinny, so you can get like right in that inner corner and like do it. And then it has this on the end, which is just like a regular sponge brush, which I was like, what? I don't want that, get that out of here. But I've actually found that this is also great for picking up glitter pigments or metallic pigments, and so far this has been really helpful. And I saw somebody use this in a video, and then I was like, I need to try that. So I went out and grabbed that when all of their tools went on sale, I think again for like 20% off or 30% off. And then to finish this off on a very Kathleen Lights note, I have 2 palettes from Colourpop, both of which were Kathleen Lights collaborations. So I recently did an entire clean out of my vanity, and I got rid of a lot of stuff. I got rid of like 7 or 8 eyeshadow palettes. Like I really cleaned out stuff that was old, stuff that I just wasn't using, and decided to give those away to friends and to, you know, throw away anything that was expired. So I decided to treat myself when their palettes went on 20% off to get both of the Kathleen Lights palettes that I've been dying to get that I didn't already have. So the first one is the Zodiac palette to continue on this trend, and it looks like this. It's so gorgeous. It has each of the 12 Zodiac in their own color. This just makes me so happy looking at it. Like, how pretty is that? And I have used this already and love it. This, the Leo shade is gorgeous. I love it so much. And yeah, so that's really pretty. And then the other one I got was her Dream Street palette, which this one has been out for a while, and I always wanted to pick it up but never did. So I'm glad I was able to get my hands on that this time around from Colourpop. And the last things that I have, I don't know how much I've talked about this on my channel. I feel like I probably have, but I am a nail polish freak. Like, I love nail polish, and I've always said, like, if I ever came out with like a line of cosmetics, like the first thing I would want to do is nail polish, or any sort of collaboration. I would love to do nail polish. And I love Kathleen Light's nail polish company. It's called KL Polish, and they are literally the best nail polishes I've ever used. And so now it's pretty much all I use. I have an entire case full of all colors. I take them with me when I get my nails done, and I do them myself like once a week. I'm obsessed. So I picked up a ton of colors from her because she did 40% off the whole site. It did exclude the Zodiac colors, but because I was already ordering so much of the other ones, I figured that I would go ahead and order the Zodiac ones that I had been wanting, because I could pay shipping or get free shipping and not have to order them separately. So I got a ton of colors. I'll start out with the ones that I did get from the Zodiac collection. So these are the only thing I bought during Black Friday that wasn't on sale. So the first color I have is the Virgo. It's a really pretty dark gray, really smooth gray with like a hint of a blue toned gray. I really love this. I have this on my toes right now. The next color I got from the Zodiac collection is the Scorpio. This is a really pretty kind of metallic blackened red, and ooh, it's so pretty. I had this on last week, and it's gorgeous and I really love it. The last one I think I got from the Zodiac collection is Pisces, which, oh wow, oh wow, oh wow, am I going to wear the crap out of this in the summer. I mean, I think I plan to put this one on next anyway, but oh my god, in the summer and spring, I feel like this is gonna be so gorgeous. Just a metallic aqua blue, gorgeous, gorgeous color. The one that I have on right now, which I am obsessed with, I didn't realize how much I would love this color. I'd always been fascinated by it in her campaign images. This is Charmed from a spring collection way back. It is a purpley pink with this blue metallic shift. I've got it on my nails right now, as you can see. I just went to Disney a few days ago and this felt very like Rapunzel to me. So I put it on, but like, oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed with it. It's called Charmed. It is gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. I am obsessed with that one. Next one I actually got a restock of one that I've had for a little over a year now. That is maybe my favorite nail polish of all time. Mine was getting pretty goopy, so I picked up another Porter Miami. This is the neon blue that you'll see me wearing in videos. Like, if you ever see me wearing this color, it's this particular color. It's called Porter Miami. Gorgeous, such a beautiful color. And then I got 3 more. So to finish off this haul, we've got 3 rapid fire. We have Dream Boy, which in person is a like kind of powdery lilac color. It comes off kind of white gray in some lighting, but it is a purple lilac powdery color. Very pretty. And I figured because I didn't know how Charmed would perform, I thought it might need a base underneath it, so I kind of got those to go together. But Charmed does just fine on its own, as you can see. I got from her last collection, so not the recent one that came out, the winter one, but the fall one, I got Yzma, which is a purple, dark, metallic, gorgeous color that I am so excited to put on. That will probably be coming up very soon for me. And then the last one I got is Jane, which is this really pretty kind of muted mauvey pink color. It's so pretty, and I really, really like this, and I love the name Jane, again, because of the bold type. It's also my mom's middle name, so we love Jane. So that is everything that I bought on Black Friday. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I spent entirely too much money, but I really, really love everything that I've gotten. I have had so much use out of all of it already, which just tells me I made some good purchases. So let me know what you got for Black Friday down below, anything I missed, anything I should be looking out for in the Christmas sales, and yeah, that's gonna be it. So I will see you guys very soon. I need to go to work now. I am filming this early in the morning, so I will see you very soon. In the meantime, my name is Parker, this is Stories in the Dust, and I really hope you'll stick around a while. Bye guys.